Dear learners, welcome our online class. Now I am going to start our online class. I am MD Habibur Rahman, assistant teacher, Satarhag School and College. Dear learners, you know all over the world, Corona virus is going to destroy our education system. Not only education system, but also all sectors of the world. So, especially you are going to lose your education. Now, we are trying to do something to give you, something to learn you for our online class. And you all welcome to our online class. If you visit this class, if you observe this class attentively, then you will be benefited, I hope. So, dear learners, follow me. Now I am going to write a sentence on the board. Look at the board. Rohit eats rice. Dear learners, this is a sentence you know, and there are three words here. Each word called is of the meaning. So look at here. Rohit eats rice. So, do you guess what type of sentence it is? It's a sentence and it's called simple sentence. And all the words of this sentence have some meanings. Rohit eats rice. This sentence and what is called Rohit, what is called eats, what is called rice. So this all means a sentence and this all are called parts of speech. So what are today we will know, we will learn from this sentence what is parts of speech. So now I am going to discuss about parts of speech. So our today's topic name is parts of speech. Parts of speech. Dear learners, look here, three words. Each word called each of parts of speech. Do you guess what is Rohim called? Yes, Rohim is called noun. Then its is called verb. And rice, it's also noun and also object of this sentence. Accordingly, we can speak, we can call, there are 8 kinds of parts of speech. How many kinds of parts of speech? There are 8 kinds of parts of speech. Now I am going to read their name. Now I am going to read their name. Number 1, noun. Number 2, pronoun. Number 3, adjective. Number 4, verb. Number 5, adverb. Number 6, preposition. Number 7, conjunction. Number 8, interjection. So we have got there are 8 kinds of parts of speech. Number 1, noun. Number 2, pronoun. Number 3, adjective. Number 4, verb. Number 5, adverb. Number 6, preposition. Number 7, conjunction. Number 8, interjection. Now, my dear learners, now I would like to know about noun. So what do we mean by noun? Noun is called, any name is called noun. What is noun? Noun, any name is called noun. Like this. What is noun? Any name is called noun. Example, Rohit, Karim, Dhaka, Rajshahi, etc. So again, what is called noun? Any name is called noun. For example, Rohit, Karim, Dhaka, Rajshahi, etc. So now, do you clear about this thing about noun? Again, noun, any name is called noun. Any name is called noun. For example, Rohit, Karim, Dhaka, Rajshahi, etc. There are some kinds of noun. We will know about noun for our next class. Now, pronoun. Number 2, pronoun. So, dear learners, what is pronoun? pronoun is placed except noun. Pronoun placed except noun. Example for Karim is a good student. Karim is a good student. Look at Karim is a good student. Now here he is a good student. So look at the board. Here Karim is noun. Here he is pronoun. So what is the difference? Here we use except Karim, he. So now we can call he, she, it is called pronoun. So again look at the board. I use a sentence here. Karim is a good student. Here Karim is noun. Similarly, I use another sentence. He is a good student. Here, except Karim, I use he. So he is pronoun. Now, I would like to discuss about next item. Next one, adjective. So dear viewers or learners, do you know what is adjective? Okay, now I am going to write a sentence. Rakib is a good boy. So look at the sentence. Rakib is a good boy. Here look at the word good. This word is called adjective. Why? Because this word express Rakib's quality. What type of boy Rakib? Rakib is a good boy. So this good is called adjective. Again, what? Rakib is a good boy. So what type of this word? This word is called adjective. Why? Because this was expressed about Rakib. This word tells Rakib's quality. What type of boy Rakib? Rakib is a good boy. This is called, or this word is called adjective. Similarly, he goes to school every day. He is also brilliant. So here brilliant is also adjective. Okay, dear learners, we have learned from these two sentences about adjective. Here good and brilliant. So now I would like to close our today's session. I will take this class similarly in our next class, and in our next class we will know about another parts of peace. So still then, Allah Hafiz.